Hello, readers. Oh, I mean, you are writers. You are my poets. So, poets, I want to teach you something today. I know we've been already writing poetry and we're getting better and better at it. So, I will show you one more thing how you can make your poetry even better. I will share my screen with you and read you the teaching point. You can go ahead and read it with me. Poets think carefully about the words they choose. They search for the exact honest words that match what they're trying to say. Poets reread their poetry and ask themselves, are these words creating the image that I want? If not, poets have to revise. They have to revise and write it over again, or at least change some the words that are most important. So when you're reading your poem, you want to make sure that you use words that encapsulate your big idea, right? Because when we're writing poems, we're not just writing about any object. We're writing about something that really matters to us. We're writing about a big idea, trying to show it in a little story. Like we're looking inside a little moment of our life, but we're trying to show a big idea or a big feeling. Now, I decided to write a little poem about my mom, and the big idea is protection. I feel protected by my mom. And so I decided to write this poem called My Mom, My Cover. In my lunchbox, a frozen juice. It's a hot day today. The sun's hot ray is looking into my bag. But my mom covered it in paper. Come what may, sun, you can't melt it today. Okay, so let's look at the words again. So my big idea is protection. So the word cover might not really work, right? Because cover is not really showing my big idea of protection. Let me see. I can instead of writing cover, I can write the word protect. So let me do that. Well, my mom, my protect doesn't really match and make it sound beautiful either. So I'm going to write protection. What words would match protection? Oh, shield. Do you know what a shield is? I'm about to show you. So take a look at this. A shield. Let's just Google an image of a shield. I think that's going to be a much better word choice. Shield. Image. Let's see. Yeah, the shield like that. It protects. So I'm going to write my mom, my shield. That sounds much better. This is the exact honest word that matches what I'm trying to say. And instead of here, I had this word covered. I'm going to say protected. Yes, protected it in paper. So now my poem must sound better. Let me reread it again. My mom, my shield, my lunchbox, a frozen juice. It's a hot day today. The sun's hot ray is looking into my bag, but my mom protected it in a paper. Come what may, sun, you can't melt it today. So this is a small moment that shows how my mom takes care of me, how she protects me. Just like this juice is protected by a paper that's wrapped around it so it won't melt. The same way my mom protects me. There was this big idea of my mom taking care and protecting me. But I'm using a small moment story. It's very small, just her packing my lunch bag. But it means a lot to me because I see that, wow, my mom really cares for me. So, poets, I invite you today to write or revise your poetry to match those exact words that you're trying to use. Right? Okay. I'm looking forward to reading them, your revised poetry, with an exact word choice that will depict, that will show your big idea. In a small moment, zoom in. Zoom into a small moment, show your big idea, and use some really cool, honest words that will encapsulate the big idea. See you later.